If you're someone who is planning to go abroad to take a course after PharmD, this is the best one. Trust me. It's easy to study and it's also easy to get through. What after PharmD? It's so confusing because we have a lot of great courses around the world. Assalamu alaikum, hi, namaste, welcome to SysPoint. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and don't hesitate to subscribe. Let's begin. Disclaimer: the video content is available for information and educational purposes only. Owner does not make any representation or guarantees with respect to the accuracy, applicability, fitness, or completeness of this video content. This video just gives you an overview about the courses. Choosing an appropriate course based on your interest is purely your decision, so do your research. India is a developing country where the disease burden is still high. The India state-level disease burden comparing 1990 to 2016 shows that non-communicable diseases and injuries have overtaken infectious diseases and childhood diseases. Now you'll be thinking, why am I talking about disease burden when I have to talk about the cause? Wait a minute, getting straight to that point. Public health is the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life and promoting health through the organized efforts and informed choices of society, organizations, public and private communities and individuals. Master of Public Health, MPH. If you ask me to describe this course in 3 words, I would say multidisciplinary, research-oriented and emphasis on disease prevention and health promotion. MPH is a 2-year program. The 5 core areas of public health include biostatistics, epidemiology, environmental health, health policy and administration, social and behavioral sciences. Along with modules to learn, you will be having field postings and internship. You will be doing public health situation analysis, surveillance data analysis, outbreak investigation, evaluation of health programs, and you will have to submit a dissertation or thesis of your own. During internship, you will be working with different NGOs. The most important part, job opportunities. MPH graduates can work as public health educator, epidemiologist, public health consultant, public health administrator, healthcare analytics, and clinical research coordinator. I know everything sounds so similar, so let me explain these one by one. Public health educator. Public health educator have extensive knowledge of public health issues. They have to translate this knowledge into highly effective health education campaigns and programs, which can help individuals, families, and communities to maintain healthy lifestyle choices, policies, and environment. For an example, Certified Diabetes Educator. Now, this is someone who possesses knowledge of and experience in pre-diabetes, diabetes prevention, and management. They can educate and support people affected by diabetes to understand and manage the condition. Epidemiologists are scientists who study disease within population of people. They analyze what causes disease outbreaks in order to treat existing diseases and prevent future outbreaks. PharmD graduates, I hope you remember prevalence, incidence rate, and risk ratio. Public health consultant works with MNCs, government agencies, communities, and healthcare facilities to help improve the overall health of a population. They conduct professional research and analysis to determine how to improve different issues and challenges in public health sector. They present their findings and opinions to government agencies or other companies so that they can use this data to develop policies and procedures. Public health administrators. They manage all aspects of public health organization, which include budgets, programs, staff, grants, and everything. Like they assess community health issues. They can even educate public on preventing health problems, executing community outreach programs, addressing chronic problems affected in a specific community. They even write grant proposals and heading up fundraising efforts. They are involved in balancing limited budgets and allocating funds wherever needed. So it's more like an administrative job. Healthcare data analyst is similar to biostatistician job. It's like gathering and integrating data from different sources, building models and analyzing data to find trends and patterns, and providing information regarding the healthcare quality, how to reduce cost and all that. Clinical Research Coordinator or CRC. It's a research profession where the person work with the principal investigator. They support, facilitate and coordinate daily clinical trial activities, and they play a really important role in the conduct of the study. MPH graduates can also work as surveillance officers, district program managers under National Health Mission and various national programs, and with NGOs and voluntary organizations, international organizations like CDC, WHO, UNICEF. They can also opt for teaching and research positions in public health institutions and public or private institutions and research institutes and medical colleges. For pursuing MPH in India, we have the Indian Institute of Public Health in Gandhinagar, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar and Shillong. We have also a lot of private institutions like Manipal, Amity, Chitkara, IRCI, AIIMS and lot more. So there will be an entrance examination, and based on that fees, tuition fees can be variable. Mostly private institutions will charge you like around 1 to 4 lakhs, depends upon where you join. I forgot to mention an important point. This course can be taken by non-medical graduates too. Yes, you heard me right. Graduates from engineering field or law, statistics, commerce, accounting, social science, they can also pursue this course. When you go abroad, most like UK, Canada or US, some of the universities provide MPH program for physician graduates like MBBS, MD, DO, PharmD and all that. So in those countries, the person without a medical degree can enter into another program known as Master of Science in Public Health or Master of Medical Science in Public Health program. So these two courses are for those who are not from the medical field, or like those who are having bachelor degree in any of the science related courses. If you're someone who is planning to go abroad to take a course after PharmD, this is the best one, trust me. It's easy to study and it's also easy to get through. Average tuition for MPH degree is around 15,000 euro per academic year. Now based on the country you select, this can differ. Around 13 to 14 Indian rupees, 13 to 14 lakhs, okay, Indian rupees per academic year. Some countries like Norway, Finland and Sweden offer free public health masters, but you have to refer this more regarding these countries. Finally, I hope this video was informative for everyone watching this. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and show some love and some support. So have a nice day ahead.